This video is a Target press-on nail haul specifically for Glamnetic. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. On my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. This video is a Target press-on nail haul specifically for Glamnetic. So I have never, ever reviewed Glamnetic nails. At least I don't think so. I don't think I had them in my last Target nail haul, but we're going to review them today. I got a little mix because they did release their Halloween nails. So this will be a mix of some regular styles and some Halloween nails, which are actually quite fun. Per usual, I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. Let's get into this haul. All the packaging is going to be this plastic packaging. It does have a little guide on the back of how to apply your nails. And they don't all look like this. Some of them are more landscape versus portrait. It comes with 30 nails, nail glue, a nail file, cuticle stick, alcohol pad, okay? It comes with all the things that you're going to need. First up, these are Fall Boo and they are $20. These are really cute. It's giving kind of like cartoony Halloween, if that makes sense. Like, it's not scary, honey, okay? These are gonna be kind of like a short almond shape. They are adorable. They are a little see-through. These like beigeish, nudish nails are a little see-through. The rest of them are pretty opaque. So you're going to get this like brown color nail. You're going to get another nail with kind of like three colors, like a beige, this medium brown, and the dark brown, kind of like wave, half kind of French tip situation. This ghost Frankenstein situation with these little flowers on it, honey. This wavy checkerboard, and then just this like medium brown color. All the nails are going to be painted on. The painting is good, honey. Okay, well, it's not really painted, but it's like printed. You know what I mean? But it goes from end to end. There is no bleeding. There is no like newspaper print where it looks splotchy. None of those things. I really like these. Now let's see about the thickness. These are a thick nail. These are a thick nail, honey. They're not gonna break. The inside is like kind of like this matte satiny kind of texture. It's not super textured, but it is a little textured. I've seen some that are just like a little bit more textured. So I would still file the inside of these just in case, honey. They're cute. Next up, these are 9 Lives and they are $20. When I ordered these online, I just thought they were a black nail. I didn't think they had this little cat design on them, but you know, here we are. Ooh, okay, let's get into these. These are cute. Okay, these are really cute. Again, the pictures don't really do it justice because it's like a matte nail with a little shiny French tip. They're cute, okay? You get a few nails that have the little cat eyes on them, okay? And that French tip is gonna have little ears, like little cat ears. And then you're gonna have another one that kind of has like the tail of the cat on it in that glossy, I don't know if it's a print, glossy finish. That's what we're gonna say, okay? These nails here are gonna have a little like wavy tail, and kind of, I guess, like the butt of the cat is like the French tip, and then the wavy tail comes off of it, and that's going to be in the glossy finish. These are really cute. I'm not a cat person. That's not me. But if you are a cat person, these would be really cute. The eyes of the cat are like a greenish color, almost like a cat eye finish. See what we did there? And then the like, so the iris is green. Is that the iris? The middle part is black, okay? Then it goes to green, and then where your white is, that is silver, okay? I don't know the names of all the parts of the eye. Anyways, these are pretty thick. I feel like they're not as thick as the last pair, but they're still very sturdy, honey. They are barely going anywhere, and these are gonna definitely be like a short little almond roundish shape. They do have some of them where the tip of it is kind of flat, so you may just have to round that out a little bit with your nail file. But these are cute. I like these. I probably would not buy these to wear, But these are cute little nails. Maybe if you have like a Catwoman costume, you could do these. You know what I'm saying? Next up, this is VAMPIRESS, and these are $20. I really like these. This little ombre situation is cute. Okay. This would definitely be my kind of Halloween nail. Something a little subtle and chic at the same time. These are really cute. It's giving Elvira. It's giving... These are going to be kind of like a medium almond shape. They're a little bit longer than the last two. It doesn't seem like any of these you really need to like file. Okay, I like it a lot. These are going to be a see-through nail, especially towards the tip. So the ombre or darker part is more towards the middle part of the nail, and then as it spreads out, of course, it's going to get lighter and lighter, but it also does that on the sides. I thought when I saw these that it just ombre'd out evenly throughout the nail versus it just being dark in the middle. But for the middle part of your nail, you probably won't see that glue as much. Yeah, we're not going to see much of that at all. They seem to fit pretty true to size. This is a 5. These fit nice. Real nice and snug. I like these. The length is good for me, so now I know I can use their nails. These nails are about the thickness of the last pair, maybe a little bit thinner. Maybe a little bit thinner. When you put it on, you may not see that glue on the sides because, of course, as there's no light shining through, the sides get a little bit darker. And I do like that the tip is transparent, minus the fact that you can see the number. So you might have to just try to file that a little bit if you can. And lastly, for the Halloween nails, this is wrapped up and they were $20. If you like cutesy little nails, this set and the first set, these are for you. Maybe the second set, I don't really know. If you like cats, then yeah. But this is giving cartoony. This is little like mummy inspired nail. These are cute, okay? I do wish, let me see if there's other accent nails, because I kind of wish there were other accent nails without the eyes as well. I think that would be cute. I'm not a fan of white nails. Anyways, you get 6 accent nails with the little like mummy wrap with the little eyes. Oh, I didn't even realize, I didn't even look at the back of this. But this also, so like, you know how they put the little background card? It serves as a how-to guide. So how to apply and how to remove your nails. Everything is on here. It's also in English and French instructions. The white nails are iridescent, which I like because they're not just like a flat white. It gives you kind of that like glazed kind of look that they're doing on these nails lately. It's really pretty. It gives almost like an iridescent-y kind of color to it. And then the mummy nails, the wrapping is going to be a little raised. I like these. It seems like they took their time with these. These are really cute. These are about the same thickness as the second pair. So they're pretty thick, but not like super thick. And you might see that glue peeking through this mummy nail just a bit because the nail is a little see-through. So hopefully that won't ruin the design too much if you can. What size are these? I think this is a 3. Let's try it on. I already know it's gonna be too short. Yeah, it almost isn't, but these things is wide. Why are these nails so wide? You see how much over it is? Sorry to flip y'all off, but this is a 3, which would normally be my middle finger, and it overlaps so much. I just don't know what's happening. Like, that's a lot of overlappage. So if you have wider nail beds, these may be good for you because half the skin over here is covered by the nail. So I don't know. The first pair, well, that 5 fit really well. The 3, not so much. Anyways, moving on. Now for the regular nails, and this first set is Gold Digger, and they are $15. So the gold is towards the cuticle. I like these because it's kind of like a reverse French tip. These are really cute. Way too short for me. Child, the way that it curves up, half my nail is out. Anyways, I do wish, since it is by the cuticle, because sometimes I like my nail to just sit right up under the cuticle, it was just like a touch, like a hair a hair thicker, just in case for the girlies who may have like deeper cuticle beds, they can fit it in here and won't lose as much gold. But they're really cute. The pink is good. It's good nudish color. It's not too pink. It's not too like beige, if that makes sense. These are really cute. Now thickness, it's like a regular thickness. They don't seem like they're gonna crack, but you may be able to bend it enough to where it will, so just be a little careful, okay? But I don't think it's gonna crack like on its own. You would need a lot of pressure to do that. These are cute. I just really like this little touch of gold. It's like a kiss of gold on these nails. The gold is really nice. The printing again end to end, honey. These are cute. Next up, this is Neon Lights, and they are $15. Oh, these are cute. Okay, these are going to have, it's like a multi-colored nail or nails, because each nail has like a different color. And it has a French tip, but it's like an outline of a French tip, kind of like how neon lights kind of like outline things or whatever, but that's what it is. And it's brighter colors. These would be really cute for the summer. Like the colors are really, they're not really neon, okay? I'm not getting that on most of the colors, but they are bright, they're bold, but not quite jewel tone either for like the fall. These would be really cute in a jewel tone. Glamnetic, if you're listening, okay? But these are cute. The printing is really good end to end, honey. These, of course, are going to be a short almond nail. You are going to have to file the tips of these because, again, they're a little squared off. They will be a little transparent at the cuticle bed, but that's expected. These are thick, honey. I feel like the shorter the nail is, the thicker it is, honey. These is going nowhere. These are some hard nails. Okay. Next up, these are Madame, and they are $15. Now, these are like a little almond French tip. They're cute. Nothing really to write home about. It's a French tip. Ain't no gloss. Ain't no glaze. Ain't no nothing, honey. It's just a French tip. The nude is really nice. It's not too pink. This is a cute little nude, though. I like it. I like it a lot. The thickness, medium thickness or so. It's bendable by the cuticle part, but the tip gets a lot more firm. I like the curvature of their nails too. The side curvature of this nail has like a different kind of like angle to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the only thing to me that makes it like a unique type of situation, is that curvature of the nail, but you don't see it if you have your hand like this. You only see it like from the side. Next up, this is Wild Card, and they are $15. This is very pastel-y. It's giving springtime for me, not much fall, and I'm very much into fall right now, but they're still a really cute nail. The nude color is really nice. Again, there's not really much pink in this nude at all, which I like sometimes a little bit more. The designs, it's literally like in this window alone, there's 10 different designs. Come on, Z-Tails. I like it. These are pretty. The colors are really nice though. So you're going to get like this purple, almost lavender color, this light pinkish color, and then this light like seafoam. It's not really teal. So like a seafoam green color. There is a lighter pinkish tannish color that's mixed in here as well. I'm not a huge fan of that because you can't really see it all that well against the nail itself because it's very close to that color, but it's pretty, you know. I just wish maybe they just used that pink instead of that other color. Anyways, curvature is going to be the same as those French tip nails. I don't know if the rest of them were, and I'm not going to open the package to find out, but these are thick, honey. And now that I'm looking at these nails, honey, and how far they curve back, these would not fit my nails. But these are thick nails. Sturdy, okay? These are really cute. Now, let me look at the rest of the nails and see. All the nails are different. I am very sad that I can't fit these. Literally, all the nails in this set are different. That's why they call it a wild card. You just don't know what you're going to get. I like it. I like it a lot. And lastly, these are HAILEY and they are $20. Very dainty, very wedding. It's like weird. There's like a glaze on here and it almost looks iridescent, but I'm not sure which one it is because it's quite faint. They're a little see-through, a little bit. They are going to have a flat top on them, so you're going to have to get your file to smooth them out and to round them out a little bit more. Yeah, these don't have that like curvature under the nail. It's kind of giving those like iridescent nail polishes from back in the day. It's a pretty color though. I feel like from far away you wouldn't be able to tell, but you gotta get up close. The nail thickness is nice. This is a good sturdy nail, honey. They do make some sturdy nails, okay? I like it. I wish that it was a little something in here, but these are great if you just want a plain white nail, whether it's for bridal, everyday, or whatever. These are the ones for you, but you don't want it to be like a flat white. That is it, y'all. That is my entire Glamnetic Target haul. Let me know in the comments what your favorite nail set was from this video, and if you've ever tried Glamnetic nails before. I'm kind of on the fence about these nails. Some of them are way too short, but I think I'm going to go in store. I did order like online, so I may go in store, see what else they have, go on their website, see what else they have, and see if they have any longer nails, because these are just a little too short for my nail beds. They ain't really working. There's a few sets, but for the most part, it's going to be a struggle. And again, I will be sure to leave all of the links to all of the nail sets in the description box below. And since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies doing a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video, those pics specifically for you.